Computational thinking has been identified as an essential component of scientific practice in K-12 education, but integrating computational thinking into regular science curriculum can be challenging, particularly at the elementary level. EcoMOD is an inquiry-based elementary ecosystem science curriculum that blends an immersive virtual ecosystem with an interactive computational modeling platform. Using these rich digital resources, we are studying whether third-grade students can learn advanced ideas about how ecosystems work, both through inquiry in immersive virtual worlds and by constructing computational models that explain organism interactions. The EcoMOD immersive world lets students explore how a forest ecosystem has changed over time. An ecosystem scientist shares with students that the forest looked very different many years ago and questions how those changes to the ecosystem came about. For modern day, students can then travel through time to explore the forest in various stages of change. Students can make observations, take photos to learn about organisms, and collect various forms of data. The arrival of a new organism leads to changes within the ecosystem. A beaver builds a dam, which affects some species positively and others negatively. Students can also dive deeper into causal relationships by exploring the ecosystem through the eyes of two key species, beavers and woodpeckers. As a beaver, students work to construct a dam and avoid predators, and later, as a woodpecker, students peck on trees to forage for food and excavate nest cavities. Over time, those cavities become habitats for other species. Activity within the immersive world encourages students to develop theories about relationships between organisms and their environment, theories which students then test by building agent-based computational models of the system. Using a simple, scaffolded block interface, students build models of the ecosystem by constructing programs which control the behaviors of familiar organisms. Command blocks embody actions first introduced in the beaver and woodpecker perspective tools, helping students reconceptualize animal behaviors as computational commands. Students observe model outcomes in both a 2D programming sandbox and a graphing window, which measures changes of specific variables over time. By interpreting these outcomes, students refine their theories regarding causal relationships within the system and, at the same time, develop important computational knowledge, skills, and attitudes. We're currently conducting design-based research studies of the EcoMOD curriculum in 2 elementary school classrooms. Our findings will further inform the design of our curriculum and our plans for research next year.